Well, this is the 670 Predator. Yeah, I screwed up the sound again. I'm going to make another video so that you guys can hear what this sounds like after the change of the stock carburetor to a 24 horse Briggs clone. Um, I had set the low idle jets to 1 3/4 out. Wasn't sure about the carburetor when I put it on, obviously straight off. But the fuel inlet on clone is 180 degrees out from what it is when on the original carburetor. So your rerouting stuff depends on what you have the engine in. But this is after replacement of the two coils. I was getting some intermittent one cylinder firing, then not. This immediately changed this engine. I don't know, and the coils weren't exactly the same as the ones that were on it, but they were from eBay. They went on easily. Just remember, if you're changing the coils, the standoffs, where the standoffs go through the coil, you have a bolt on one side of the coil and a standoff on the other. It's real easy to take it apart and then not remember where they go, else the front case will not go back on correctly. So first start on this, and it's on a fuel pump. Obviously, as you see there, the original pulse induced pump is off. This is on a 2.5 to 4 psi pump from Amazon. It started immediately, and that's not normal for a 670, obviously, as you guys have seen, unless you've messed with it. It had a little tiny bit of flutter, but as you could see as I was checking it, the exhaust pipes were warm both sides, and that was part of the problem. I would put my hand over by the exhaust, and lo and behold, that cylinder would be dead. It wouldn't be dead all the time, and it was running erratic. The other thing I found is you see the black pipe. It comes off the back of the carburetor throat and goes down and actually comes underneath, and it's a breather from the engine. Well, when they install it at wherever they make the 670s, they take that pipe and run it through a gap in the top casing. You'll see it as you look along the front casing. There's a slot. Now they take that black pipe that you see bending over, and it goes down that slot, round and underneath. That was actually twisted in half and split for about 1.5 inches down the pipe. So that was venting in the obviously in the wrong location. Shouldn't be any air getting in there. So a little bit of a modification. I hadn't got any more of that pipe, so I cut the pipe short and then carved out a piece at the top of the plastic and took the pipe in a more direct fashion to that. I don't know if that made a dramatic amount of difference, but obviously it goes to the carburetor, so it was having an effect. It started to run absolutely perfect. I'm going to do another video so you guys can actually see that. Other than that, enjoy, subscribe, click the bell. Talk to you later. Bye.